blackberries already. We're gonna make delicious pies. The best pies ever. We picked so many berries. We will make delicious pies. I can't wait.
Grandma, there's a fox! Look out!
Go away!
Shoo! Shoo! That fox looked scary.
It's gone now.
Do you think it will come back?
Everyone will love it. We picked so many berries today. We're gonna make the best pie ever.
I can already smell the pie!
That's because you're always hungry.
The pies are going to taste amazing.
I hope you made enough for me.
We'll see about that.
Can we help make the pie?
Of course you can. These berries are beautiful. They're perfect for pie.
Did something move?
What do you mean?
Oh my goodness! It's a baby squirrel! He's so tiny!
Oh, you poor little thing.
Easy now, let's not scare it.
He's so cute. Poor little squirrel. Can we keep him for a little while?
He does seem very sweet.
Please, can we?
He likes the berries.
Just don't let him eat everything.
He likes the berries! He's so cute!
Think he likes us. He seems safer now. I hope the fox doesn't come back.
Did you see that? I think the fox is outside.
He's climbing again! He's like a tiny ninja!
Where did he go?
I can't find him!
Let's look over here.
He's not under here! There you are! He was hiding in the boot! He looks comfortable there.
That's his new house. He's scared again. I think the fox came back.
Did you hear that?
Something is outside.
Ben, don't go too close. I just want to see if the fox is really out there. What if he sees us?
I can't see him anymore.
Maybe he left.
No, I think he's still here.
Ben, the fox is right there!
He found the squirrel again.
He looks angry. The fox saw him! We need to hide him now! Where can we put him?
It's okay, we won't let the fox get you.
I think he's walking around the house.
We need a better hiding place.
He can hide in here for now. But what if the fox comes inside? Then we protect him together. He's trying to come inside. Don't open the door. The squirrel got out, please. Come back. It's dangerous. Wait, Don't go over there! The fox can hear him running. We need to catch him first. It's okay. We're trying to help you. He looks really scared. I know, but we need to keep him safe. He almost got inside! We need to hide the squirrel better. He's going upstairs. Ah! Don't fall, little guy. The fox is making him panic. Easy, easy. We're not gonna hurt you. I can still hear the fox downstairs. We just need one safe place for him. Oh no, he's looking at the window. I think he wants to go outside. But the fox is still there. Wait! It's not safe outside! Come back, little squirrel! The fox is still looking for you. Why is he looking out there? Maybe he remembers something. I think he's lonely. I think he misses his family. Maybe you're right.
He doesn't belong here. He wants to go home. Tomorrow morning, we'll take him back. Let's help him find his family. I hope he finds his family.
I think we're doing the right thing.
He's going home. Come on, little guy.
Your family has to be somewhere.
We believe in you.
The fox! Stay behind me!
He found him again!
Run! Run! Go, little squirrel! Climb a tree! Climb a tree!
He made it!
Keep climbing!
You're safe! Keep going! Ben, look! I think that's his mom! She found him! He has brothers and sisters! They were waiting for him! This is the best ending ever! The fox is leaving. He was just looking for food. But our little friend is safe now. They missed each other.
I knew he had a family.
And now they're together again.
Goodbye, little friend.
We'll miss you.
Have a happy life. Stay safe.
Did you enjoy our squirrel adventure?
If you like this story,
Please subscribe to our channel.
and come back for more adventures.
See you next time.